This is a podcast from the Business Times.
Good evening. It's Thursday, August 6th, 2026. Here's your market-focused daily closing bell update by the Business Times. Asian shares reversed course today after the previous day's AI-fueled rally, as fickle enthusiasm over AI spending turned cautious, while oil prices held in a tight range as markets assessed prospects for an Iran peace deal. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan fell 1.39%, led by declines in tech firms. South Korean shares extended losses to 4.16%, while Japan's Nikkei was down 0.94%, pairing an earlier drop of as much as 2.05%. In Seoul, Samsung Electronics fell 6% and Peer SK Hynix plunged nearly 10%. In Tokyo, Kioxia lost 8.2%, while Tokyo Electron slumped 5.18%. The pullback followed a weaker session on Wall Street overnight, where the Nasdaq snapped a days-long winning streak as shares of Elon Musk-led SpaceX and Advanced Micro Devices stumbled after their quarterly earnings. A senior Iranian source and two regional officials said a proposed deal between Iran and Oman to help end 5 months of war between Iran and the United States would give Tehran control over ships entering the Gulf through the Strait of Hormuz, one of the biggest concessions yet to Iran. Brent crude futures fell to $79.01 per barrel, down 0.55%. U.S. West Texas Intermediate futures edged 0.65% down to $74.73 a barrel. In early European trades, pan-region Eurostoxx 50 futures were up 0.18%. German DAX futures gained 0.26%, and FTSE futures nudged 0.06% higher. Investors are now turning their attention to U.S. labor market data ahead of tomorrow's closely watched non-farm payrolls report. Futures markets are pricing in about a 54% chance of a rate hike at the Federal Reserve's September meeting, down from 58% a day ago. Spot gold rose 0.2% to $4,254.10 an ounce, advancing for a fourth session, while spot silver fell 0.38% to $61.84 an ounce. That's it for today. For more business news and market updates, visit bt.sg and Lens On Daily for the latest tomorrow at 10 a.m.
This is a podcast by the Business Times. Find more BT podcasts at businesstimes.com.sg/podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts. This podcast is meant to provide general information only. SPH Media accepts no liability for loss arising from any reliance on the podcast or use of third parties' products and services. Please consult professional advisors for independent advice.